Hello everyone. Today at Secret Super Chef we have Meethi Mathri or sweet puris. These matris or puris are extremely flaky, crunchy, yet they are super soft. These puris are made with simple home ingredients like whole wheat flour, butter, jaggery and oil to fry them. Let's begin with the recipe. In a bowl, take very little water. Here I've taken half cup water. Take some jaggery cubes and soak them into this water. Here I've taken almost 100 grams of jaggery and all I have done is soak them in water for an hour or two. In a mixing bowl, take 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. To this, add a pinch of salt. Add 3 tablespoons of butter. Rub the butter into the flour till you have a nice crumbly texture. When you take the flour in your fist and close it, the flour should form a nice stiff dough kind of a consistency. It shouldn't be loose. Now we are going to prepare our dough using the jaggery water. Make sure to strain the jaggery water before adding. Do not add a lot of water and do not add everything together. Add little by little and start kneading the dough. This dough is not your chapati dough. This dough will be little tighter than our regular chapati dough. So make sure you add the jaggery water gradually. The dough has almost come together. Now I'm not going to add any more water here. And since we have already added enough butter, there isn't any need to add any more butter or oil to this dough. The sign of a good dough here is while you're kneading, the bowl should be clean. That means it's a perfect dough. And the consistency of this dough is little tighter. Let the dough rest for 15 minutes. After almost 15 to 20 minutes, take the dough, roll it and divide it into equal portions. If you have time, knead the dough for a few minutes before dividing it. Let's start rolling our puris. Take one portion of the dough, flatten it, sprinkle some sesame seeds, though this is optional, but gives a wonderful taste. And start rolling the puri. This puri is not going to be very thin. If you roll these puris very thin, then there are chances that they will tear while frying. So make sure you just roll them within thickness of almost 1/4 inch. If you find this easy, you can dip the dough into the sesame seed and also roll it. While you're rolling these puris, make sure that you seal the edges nicely. Otherwise, there are chances that they will tear. Similarly, roll out all the puris, lay them in a plate and let them dry for almost 15 minutes again. No need to cover them because we actually want the puris to get dried before we fry them. Now using a fork, make holes on the puris. We're doing this because we don't want those fluffy puris. These are matris, so they cannot be fluffy. The whole idea of poking holes is to make sure that they turn crispy and not soft. These puris are now ready to be fried. I've heated some oil on low flame. Do not fry these puris on hot oil or medium oil. These have to be fried on very low flame and slowly. Only then you will have that khasta kind of puri. If you fry them on very hot oil, then you will have those puris that we have with puri bhaji. We do not want those puris. We want the khasta puri. So do not rush while frying these matris. I have fried one puri at a time so that I do not crowd them and they get time to get fried in the slow heat. Make sure to fry them on both the sides till they are nice and golden in color. This is the exact color that I am looking for, but if you're somebody who wants more crispiness, then fry it for a little longer time. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like my recipes, do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like and comment on my recipes. Thank you.